Hello and welcome to another Top Tech Tip. If you've seen them before, you'll know what to expect. If it's brand new to you, then there's plenty of other tips you'd have a look at. Today we're looking at QTTabBar that makes it a lot better for you to use File Explorer and manage the files and folders in your computer. So let's get started. So the first thing we need to do is to download the program QTTabBar. Go to the website, look on the right hand side, I'll just scroll down slightly, and click on Downloads. This will take you to the download page. I don't want to accept all that stuff. And we'll then just download the latest version and run it to install it. Once you've done that, we can start File Explorer. Now it doesn't look very different at the moment because QTTabBar has been installed in the background. If we go to View, and then over to Options, this is where we can open up QTTabBar. So we'll open up the command bar, and also we'll open up the tab bar. The first thing I would do would be to right click on the taskbar and then adjust the icon size. Initially they're quite big, they're around that sort of size, which is pretty enormous really, so just right click and set an icon size that you're comfortable with. Maybe small, I find that quite good. You can also click on the settings icon. I'll just move this back into the window for you, which gives you lots of options for anything you could potentially want to do. I find various ones interesting, particularly here, open which particular folder when you close the last tab. I have it set to my Documents folder, which is on the network. Close that. Now using it doesn't look particularly different, but what I'm going to do is I'm just going to right click on an area and open a new tab, and you can see a second tab has opened up. We've got this PC and I've got pictures, so we can wobble between the various ones as you want to. But particularly interesting is you can actually open an extra view and then maybe pick up video, drag it in, and that creates a second window almost, so you can drag and drop between the two as you want to. I find that a particularly interesting feature. Now if I right click again, you can see I can open and close, open new tab, open another view window, all sorts of interesting things. So that's pretty much QTTabBar. Now I've moved the window upwards slightly so I can show the desktop element of QTTabBar. If you right click in an empty area of the taskbar and look at toolbars, we can turn on QTTabDesktop tool. Again, nothing appears to happen, but if I double click in the blank area, it'll bring up groups, recent tabs, recent files, applications and desktop files, so I can access them easily. Let's go to groups, look at user folders. You can see we keep expanding everything and you'll drill all the way down into what you're looking for. If I am to double click, it will open a tab in QTTabBar so I can access it quickly. Pretty handy way of driving around the computer. So that's QTTabBar, a really good extension to File Explorer. If you enjoyed this video, then please like it, tell other people about it, and subscribe if you want to know when we're doing the next Top Tech Tip. Thanks for watching.